Hi guys, it's Miss Debbie with the Appomattox Regional Library System, and today I'm going to show you one of our latest take-home crafts, a flower made of hearts. Start by coloring your craft stick green, and then begin cutting out all of your items. You will have a circle for the center of your flower, 2 smaller hearts for your leaves, and then 4 large hearts in either purple or blue for your flower. Once you've finished cutting out your hearts, you can begin to lay out your flower, how you want it to look. I do recommend doing all the outlines on one side so that one side is pretty and doesn't have any of the outlines and just looks nice and clear for a beautiful front of your flower. Once you've glued it down, go ahead and flip it over and then just secure it with a little bit more glue and put your circle in the center of your flower, and then glue your flower onto your craft stick, and finally glue your green petals onto your craft stick however you like. As always, we will have this craft until we run out at all of our branches. Have a great day.